Meaning of floor leader.
Floor leader.
Floor leader.
Floor leader.
Floor leader. A floor leader is a high-ranking member of a legislative body who is responsible for managing and directing the activities of their party on the legislative floor. They are typically elected by their party to serve as their spokesperson during debates and discussions, and to help coordinate their legislative strategy. Floor leaders play an important role in shaping the legislative agenda and ensuring that their party's priorities are reflected in the final outcome of any legislative process. Overall, the floor leader serves as an influential voice for their party and plays a key role in the functioning of the legislative process.